This is my TRS-80 Pocket Computer. So it had basic language filled in. You had little shortcuts for typing your basic commands. Little LCD screen, I guess it was. The battery is dead, and it was a difficult battery change, as I recall. CR2032 batteries, which at the time, in the 80s, that was a difficult thing. I don't know what kind of connector that's called, but apparently you could run printers and extra RAM and things like that with it. I keep it. My dad bought it for me a long time ago. It's the contrast. All reset, which would, do away with all your programs and things. I think I'm going to get a battery and try to fire it up.